welcome to my channel Do Wonders. Okay, so today we will start with the chapter 1, Introduction of Economics. What is economics? Basically सबको लगता है कि economics बहुत ही tough subject है, but actually no, this is very easy subject. बस थोड़े से basic concepts हमें clear होने चाहिए. So what is economy? An economy is a system which provides people means to work and earn their living. Basically, we have to remember means to work and earn their living. Economics में क्या चाहिए? लोगों को एक तो उनके पास काम होना चाहिए and they should earn their living. So this is economics. If we'll get work, then we will earn our living, right? And now we will do branches of economics. What are the branches of economics which we will study in this chapter? Number 1, microeconomics. Microeconomics. What is microeconomics? Microeconomics is study of allocation of resources. Microeconomics studies problems relating to allocation of resources like what to produce, क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है इकोनॉमिक्स में, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, कैसे प्रोड्यूस करना है, एंड फॉर होम टू प्रोड्यूस, किसके लिए प्रोड्यूस करना. दीज आर द बेसिक टर्म्स इन माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमिक्स इज व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस एंड फॉर होम टू प्रोड्यूस. जब हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगी तो हमारी इकोनॉमिक्स हमेशा ऊपर रहेगी, हमारी इकोनॉमी हमेशा ऊपर रहेगी, राइट. Now next is development economics. Development economics means growth of resources. Development economics का meaning होता है, in this branch of economics we study problems related to the growth of resources and formulation of planning programs. हम planning programs तैयार करते हैं जिससे हमारी जो economics है उसकी growth हो, हमारे resources fully utilize हो, उनकी growth हो. Next is macroeconomics. What is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics means full employment of resources. The resources which are very limited. We have very limited resources in India. So this is, we have to actually there should be full employment of resources, right? There should be not any wastage. जो हमारे resources हैं वो fully utilize होने चाहिए हमारी. And we should know about unemployment, about inflation in the economy. Everything has to be, we should know everything in economics, right? Macroeconomics related, it is related to full employment of resources, unemployment, inflation, etc., etc. We will do this later, right? Next is welfare economics. Welfare economics means efficiency in production and distribution. Welfare economics क्या होती है? Welfare economics studies such problems as related to efficiency in production and distribution for the maximum of social welfare. As we all know, there are central problems of economy. They like what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce, fuller utilization of resources. But do we know why do central problems arise actually? Why do central problems arise? Central problems arise because there are unlimited wants and limited means. What is the meaning of unlimited wants? Unlimited wants means that people's desires never get fulfilled. They will never get enough because they always want more and would like to have which they couldn't, right? अनलिमिटेड वॉन्ट्स क्या होती है? पीपल, जो लोगों की डिज़ायर कभी भी उनकी विशेज़ फुलफिल नहीं होती हैं. अगर हमें एक चीज़ मिल जाती है तो हम दूसरी चीज़ के लिए डेस्परेट रहते हैं. वी नीड, इफ़ वी गेट वन थिंग वी वॉन्ट द अदर वन, वी वॉन्ट मोर. सो दिस इज़ ह्यूमन नेचर. सो वी हैव अनलिमिटेड वॉन्ट्स. बट द सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम इज़ लिमिटेड मीन्स. लिमिटेड मीन्स क्या होता है? लिमिटेड मीन्स that individuals have include money, skills, knowledge and time. People faces problem of limited means because we don't have enough money, we don't have enough skill or we don't have enough knowledge and time to fulfill our wants. हमारी desires तो बढ़ती रहती है मगर हमारे जो means हैं हमारे पास वो कम हैं. We don't have enough means to fulfill our desires.